Hello my friends, and welcome to another unboxing and review. Today I'm checking out the MFish Armored Dragon II charging cable. This thing is pretty sweet. Check out this little case it comes in. Very convenient. It doesn't look like it's got very much in there, but this thing is over 6 feet long. Nice thick silicone coated cable here. It's yeah, I have a 6 foot wingspan, so it's a little over that. This thing seems super durable. You can notice that it's basically tangle free. It's not getting all snarled up, which is nice. I like that it's nice and long when I'm charging my phone or transmitting data from my phone to my computer. It's nice to be able to not have to be a foot away because my desk is usually about 6 feet away or so, 5 feet from my workstation here. So you can see how convenient and easy it is to roll up. It's got that on the ends of it. It's got USB-Cs, and one end you can also switch that out to put on the Lightning or USB-A. So the convenience of being able to connect to pretty much anything out there to charge your phone, your older Apple devices, or what have you. So this thing is super convenient. It's a 240 watt charging cable, so it is going to support the super fast charging and also 480 megabits per second data transmission. So that's nice. You can see I had that phone and immediately just starts going. I like how it has the glowing edges on there too. Tells you like when it's charging and when it's not. So that's another super cool little feature on that. I really like the thickness of it. It's like, it feels like it's solid and well built, not like it's all flimsy or anything like that. So this is a pretty sweet little charging cable here. I really like the convenience of it. One thing, it is a little bit thick on the end, so if you might need to use an extender from my phone case, it's a little bit thicker, so I had to use a little USB extender, but because I have one of those bulky phone cases on there. But if you just have a regular phone, or a phone case should plug in just fine. So once you're all done, you can store it away. Fits in that nice little case perfectly. So you can see the difference between just like a normal USB and the thickness there, and how it's just kind of gets a little tangled up. You see the breathing LED lights on there. It's pretty sweet. So I did try it in my 4K webcam here, and it just said doesn't support 3.0, so just be aware of that. It will charge super fast, and it will do a data transmission also, but just doesn't support the video transmitting over the wire there. So checking out this with the MFish charging dock too, and just plug in my cord. This thing looks super sweet. I like how burly it is, and it like the convenience of anything I want to plug in, whether it's USB-A, USB-C, or the Lightning. So, all right, my friends, thanks so much for watching this unboxing and review. I hope it's helpful. If you guys want to check this out, I'll link it in the description below. You guys have a great day, and I will see you guys all next time.